How to fix Excel Auto Recover not working. Here are some troubleshooting steps to try if Excel's Auto Recover feature is not working properly. Check if Auto Recover is enabled, go to File Option Save and ensure the Save Auto Recover information every option is checked. Set an appropriate time interval. Increase the Auto Recover. File location size, go to File Option Save Auto Recover File Location and increase the maximum size of each Auto Recover file to something higher, like 50 megabytes. Change the Auto Recover file location, point it to a different drive with ample disk space, like your C drive. Clear out old Auto Recover files, navigate to the Auto Recover file location and delete old star.xlk files to free up space. Turn off Protected View, go to File Options Trust Center Protected View and uncheck Enable Protected View for files originating from the Internet. Disable other Office add-ins. Some add-ins may interfere with Auto Recover. Disable them as a test. Check for file corruption. Try opening a new blank workbook. If it crashes, it may indicate file corruption. Consider repairing your Office installation. Update Windows and Office. Install the latest Windows updates and ensure you're on the most recent version of Microsoft Office. Run diagnostics and repair. Excel installation, go to Control Panel Programs and Features, select your Office version, change Quick Repair. As a last resort, create new Windows user profile and test if Auto Recover works there. Hopefully one of these suggestions will get Excel Auto Recover functioning again properly. Auto Recover is an important fail-safe to help avoid data loss from unsaved workbooks.